Hi everybody, and thanks for stopping by. Today I wanted to just do a short film showing how the beds fold down on this Wildax Aurora. It's a 6-metre van for those who don't know, and this one has a high bed which is a simple fold down system. It's very quick, as is the third bed, and so I'll just show you around that. It really is one of the simplest you can come across. It takes no time at all. Let's give it a go. Okay, so there are two ways of doing this. If it's suitable, you can obviously come in through the back doors and just step up. And how this is retained is it's just on a simple seat belt fastener, and it's just pressed to release and down it comes. And you'll see on here there is a flap fitted. This, when the bed's down, it just folds down and it creates a step up, which I have to say I don't like. It's actually a pretty uncomfortable thing, but as I'll show in a minute, it also creates a barrier across the back there, which can make it a handy safety barrier. So it really is as simple as this. Click, release, fold down, and as you can see, it's even possible to do it with one hand, although I wouldn't recommend it. Then just fold down the mattress, and if I just step back, we have a separate topper there. Wildax are notorious for their, or well known shall we say, for their heavy solid foams. But there you have it. How long did that take? 1 minute. Just roll down the mattress and there you are. It's as simple as that, and the same can be completed from the other side. So let's just prove that. We'll just close the doors. We'll go around in here. And as we can see, it's just a question of fold up the mattress, and if we just keep it at that point, we can just release one of the catches there. That comes down, and as you can see, you now have either the step or, I think more usefully, the barrier. And what you actually have here is a very good dog cage, should you have a dog. Any size of dog can go in there. You could probably get half a dozen in fact. And what's nice is, with the mattress folded back like this, dogs are getting plenty of light. They can also see upwards, and they can also put their little noses through there and keep an eye on the driver. So there we have it. How easy is that? And to return it, it's really a two-handed operation to bring the flap back up, but can be done with one, as I shall now demonstrate eventually. One-handed, catch back up. You can either fold this mattress up out the way or lift the whole thing up in one go, depending on how strong you're feeling. Lift, up, clunk, job done. And that has to be one of the easiest bed making exercises in the whole of motorhoming world, I would think. Now, some will love the fold-up bed. I particularly do, as this gets used for transporting a lot of goods around and this enormous space does everything that I need. Others may not like that. But if you're buying a van with rear doors like this one, you might want to think carefully about whether you really want to write those doors off with fixed beds running right across them. That is just my opinion on that. So that's the main bed done. And for this third bed, which is obviously just the conversion of the passenger seat here, what we're going to do is just flatten that down and flip the driver's seat around and just tune that to fit. So yeah, the first thing we're going to do is need to rotate this and then push it back as far as it will go towards the steering wheel. We might even need to bring the seat back tip forward a bit, which I will now demonstrate in time-honoured fashion. Round we come. Bring the seat forward so it clears the steering wheel. And now push it back as far as it will go. Wind the seat back forwards a fair bit. So you've now got more adjustment on there. And now what we're going to do is, it's very simple. There's a safety clip just under here. It's tucked right underneath the cushion there. We can get down there. There it is. We just need to lift that and slide the seat forward, which again is not that easy one-handed. Never even tried to do it one-handed before, but let's see if it's even possible. So we lift the bar, pull the seat forward, and it's got two positions on it. At this stage, I suggest this back flap here that holds the cushion. It is velcroed on there, you just need to reach that and release it. And now we go one step further forward on the hook, down there, forward again. Can I do it one-handed? Who knows? 1.5 handed. Bring that forward as far as she wants to go. Just move the cushion out the way. And there we are. Everything is set. And as you will see, depending on how you've adjusted the driver's seat here, it does fold up and down, it raises up and down like that. If you want to get it level, you're going to have to lower it a bit. You can maybe just adjust the seat a fraction if you want to cover that gap. Believe me, it does all go level. And the only thing that is a slight issue is for people is that your feet are going to be flapping around over there a little bit. So I would recommend a little infill with a towel or similar. For any of you who might be wondering, there is a bolster available for there. I've never bothered to use it yet, it's just a bit more encumbrance in my mind. But it's as simple as that. I can't think of a more convenient way of converting from day to night. So there we are, that's it. The easy way to make up a bed in a Wildax Aurora. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching. Do hit the subscribe button. And we'll be back soon. Okay now. Bye bye.